In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Protonmail language. We'll walk through this using the web interface so you can follow along on any computer. First, open your browser and go to protonmail.com. Once your inbox loads, we'll head straight to the place where all appearance and account preferences live. Look to the top right corner of the screen and find the small gear icon. This is your gateway to settings. Click it to open the quick settings panel. You'll see a few handy toggles here, but for a full set of options, we want the main dashboard, so choose all settings. This switches you from the compact panel into the full settings view, where everything is organized in the left sidebar. In the settings menu, locate the section labeled language and time and click it. This area controls how Proton's interface talks to you and how dates and times are displayed across your mailbox. Even if you only plan to change the language, it's helpful to know this is also where time format and time zone live, in case you want your messages and events to reflect your local preferences. Now find the option for default language. It's typically a drop-down list showing the language currently in use. Click the drop-down and select the language you want. As soon as you pick a new one, Proton will update the interface labels, menus, and buttons. Depending on your browser and current session, it may apply instantly or prompt you to refresh. If you see a save or apply button, go ahead and confirm the change. If not, the switch is usually automatic. After changing the language, give the page a quick refresh to make sure every part of the interface adopts the new setting. If something still appears in the old language, refreshing or signing out and back in will usually resolve it. Keep in mind this setting affects the Proton interface itself. Your actual emails will remain in whatever language they were written. A few quick tips as you finish up. If you don't see the gear icon, try maximizing your browser window or closing any sidebar to reveal the top right controls. If the language and time section isn't immediately visible, use the search bar within settings to type language and jump right to it. And while you're there, consider checking your time zone and date format so message timestamps make sense for your location. That's it. You've navigated to protonmail.com, opened the gear icon, gone into all settings, selected language and time, and changed your default language. Enjoy using Proton in the language that suits you best.